Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 4. I'm coming to you with a super short video of how I make my hair oil for low porosity hair. So if you checked out my hair wash routine and my pre-pooing video, you know that I have low porosity hair. So I make my own oil using light oils that are perfect for my hair type. You don't want oil that's too heavy, or else it will make your hair feel like it's weighing down. So remember, with low porosity hair, it's hard. It's a little bit harder for you to retain moisture. So these oils are perfect in my opinion. So I hope you enjoy it. It's quick, to the point. You may have a lot of these oils already in your cabinets. If not, you can find them at your local beauty supply store. Since I make this oil so often, I barely measure, but if I was gonna give it measurements, I'm gonna say I use about a tablespoon of each oil except for the wild growth oil and the castor oil. The castor oil and wild growth oil, I use about a teaspoon. So you kind of, if you want to use some type of measuring spoon or something, but again, I just eyeball. So that's usually my measurements. I pour each one in, I give it a little shake, and the oil is ready to go. You can use it for your pre-pooing needs. You can use it for when you're doing your lock method to seal your other products in. I also use it on Kyrie's when I wash his hair. So feel free to use it as needed. And oil you usually need at least I'll say once every couple of days. Enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything that I post. Bye.